Who designed the Eiffel Tower? Gustave Eiffel, Alexandre Gustave, Le Corbusier, or Pierre-Auguste Renoir? Correct answer is Gustave Eiffel. In which years was the Eiffel Tower constructed? 1885 to 1887, 1887 to 1889, 1890 to 1892, or 1895 to 1897? Correct answer is 1887 to 1889. For which event was the Eiffel Tower originally built? A memorial, an observation tower, a temporary exhibit for the 1889 World's Fair, or a radio transmission tower? Correct answer is a temporary exhibit for the 1889 World's Fair. How tall is the Eiffel Tower, including its antennas? 250 meters, 330 meters, 324 meters, or 300 meters? Correct answer is 324 meters. In which city is the Eiffel Tower located? London, Rome, Madrid, or Paris? Correct answer is Paris. What was the original purpose of the Eiffel Tower after the World's Fair? Observatory, demolition, tourist attraction, or military watchtower? Correct answer is demolition. The Eiffel Tower was the world's tallest man-made structure until the completion of which building? Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, Burj Khalifa, or CN Tower? Correct answer is Empire State Building. Which material was primarily used in the construction of the Eiffel Tower? Concrete, steel, iron, or wood? Correct answer is iron. How many levels are open to the public in the Eiffel Tower? 2, 3, 4, or 5? Correct answer is 3. The Eiffel Tower was almost demolished in which year before being repurposed for radio transmission? 1909, 1914, 1923, or 1940? Correct answer is 1909. What color is the Eiffel Tower painted? Paris green, French blue, Eiffel brown, or Eiffel red? Correct answer is Eiffel brown. How often is the Eiffel Tower repainted? Every 5 years on average, every 7 years on average, every 10 years on average, or every 20 years on average? Correct answer is every 7 years on average. Which French scientist conducted experiments on the Eiffel Tower for radio transmission? Louis Pasteur, Marie Curie, Edouard Branly, or Eugène Ducretet? Correct answer is Eugène Ducretet. Which famous landmark can be seen from the top of the Eiffel Tower? Statue of Liberty, Big Ben, Notre Dame Cathedral, or Leaning Tower of Pisa? Correct answer is Notre Dame Cathedral. What nickname is often used to refer to the Eiffel Tower? The Iron Lady, the Grand Dame, the French Tower, or the Iron Queen? Correct answer is the Iron Lady. During which major event was the Eiffel Tower almost dismantled? World War I, World War II, the French Revolution, or the Franco-Prussian War? Correct answer is World War II. What is located on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower? A cinema hall, the Gustave Eiffel restaurant, an art gallery, or the Paris Museum? Correct answer is the Gustave Eiffel restaurant. How many steps are there to reach the top of the Eiffel Tower? 1665, 1710, 1092, or 2000? Correct answer is 1665. What unique feature does the Eiffel Tower have every evening? Water fountains, fireworks, light shows, or musical concerts? Correct answer is light shows. Which floor of the Eiffel Tower houses the historical museum and exhibits? Ground floor, first floor, second floor, or third floor? Correct answer is first floor. Who financed the construction of the Eiffel Tower? The French government, the European Union, the city of Paris, or Gustave Eiffel and a group of private investors? Correct answer is Gustave Eiffel and a group of private investors. How many people visit the Eiffel Tower each year? Approximately 3 million, approximately 5 million, approximately 7 million, or approximately 10 million? Correct answer is approximately 7 million. Which famous writer initially criticized the Eiffel Tower and later dined there regularly? Victor Hugo, Alexandre Dumas, Guy de Maupassant, or Jules Verne? Correct answer is Guy de Maupassant. What major alteration was made to the Eiffel Tower in 1957? Painting it a different color, installing a television antenna, adding a clock tower, or building an underground gallery? Correct answer is installing a television antenna. How much does the Eiffel Tower weigh approximately? 7,300 tons, 8,200 tons, 9,500 tons, or 10,100 tons? Correct answer is 7,300 tons. What was the reaction of the French public and artists when the Eiffel Tower was first built? Universally loved, mixed reactions. Some loved it, others hated it, completely ignored, or everyone disliked it? Correct answer is mixed reactions. Some loved it, others hated it. Which part of the Eiffel Tower allows visitors to enjoy an ice skating rink in the winter? The top floor, the second floor, the first floor, or the ground floor? Correct answer is the first floor. What was the original planned lifespan of the Eiffel Tower? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years? Correct answer is 20 years. Which global event inspired the Eiffel Tower to be lit with different colors? The 1998 FIFA World Cup, the 2000 Millennium Celebration, the 2012 Olympics, or the 2016 Paris Climate Agreement? Correct answer is the 1998 FIFA World Cup. What happens to the Eiffel Tower during summer months in terms of height? It shrinks slightly, it tilts slightly, it expands slightly, or it changes color? Correct answer is It expands slightly. The Eiffel Tower is divided into how many levels for visitors? 2, 3, 4, or 5? Correct answer is 3. Which part of the Eiffel Tower offers the highest viewing platform accessible to the public? First floor, second floor, third floor, or ground floor? Correct answer is third floor. Which artist famously rented an apartment on the Eiffel Tower for entertaining guests? Henri Matisse, Claude Monet, Pablo Picasso, or Gustave Eiffel? Correct answer is Gustave Eiffel. Which of the following movies prominently features the Eiffel Tower? Midnight in Paris, The Great Gatsby, Casablanca, or Gone with the Wind? Correct answer is Midnight in Paris. Which famous writer's restaurant is located on the second floor of the Eiffel Tower? Ernest Hemingway, Victor Hugo, Jules Verne, or Marcel Proust? Correct answer is Jules Verne. Which river flows near the Eiffel Tower? The Seine, the Loire, the Rhône, or the Garonne? Correct answer is the Seine. Which season does the Eiffel Tower usually receive the highest number of visitors? Spring, summer, fall, or winter? Correct answer is summer. Which organization is responsible for maintaining the Eiffel Tower? Paris Municipal Council, UNESCO, French National Heritage Association, or CETI? Correct answer is CETI. What type of tower is the Eiffel Tower categorized as? Suspension tower, iron lattice tower, stone tower, or concrete tower? Correct answer is iron lattice tower. Who was the engineer responsible for the structural calculations of the Eiffel Tower? Gustave Eiffel, Maurice Koechlin, Steven Sauvestre, or Georges Eiffel? Correct answer is Maurice Koechlin. In which arrondissement of Paris is the Eiffel Tower located? First arrondissement, fifth arrondissement, seventh arrondissement, or ninth arrondissement? Correct answer is seventh arrondissement. How many lights are used in the Eiffel Tower's nighttime illumination display? 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or 30,000? Correct answer is 20,000. Which part of the Eiffel Tower is used as a weather station? The first floor, the second floor, the top, or the ground floor? Correct answer is the top. What is the name of the military bunker located beneath the Eiffel Tower? Eiffel Bunker, Champ de Mars Bunker, French Defense Bunker, or Paris Underground Base? Correct answer is Champ de Mars Bunker. Which French sculptor created the bust of Gustave Eiffel that stands at the base of the Eiffel Tower? Auguste Rodin, Henri Matisse, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, or Antoine Bourdelle? Correct answer is Antoine Bourdelle. What nickname is commonly used for the Eiffel Tower in French? La Tour Eiffel, Le Grand de Dame, Le Monument de Paris, or Le Phare de Paris? Correct answer is La Tour Eiffel. Which famous event used the Eiffel Tower's lighting for a symbolic tribute in 2015? Bastille Day, Paris Climate Agreement, World War II Armistice Day, or Tour de France? Correct answer is Paris Climate Agreement. What technology was introduced in the Eiffel Tower in 1900, enhancing visitor experience? Hydraulic elevators, electric lights, a spiral staircase, or wireless telegraphy? Correct answer is hydraulic elevators. What special event occurs at the Eiffel Tower every New Year's Eve? A large fireworks display, a light show with music, an all-night street party, or a drone show? Correct answer is a light show with music. Which film features a memorable scene atop the Eiffel Tower involving a famous spy? James Bond, A View to a Kill, Mission Impossible, The Bourne Identity, or Inception? Correct answer is James Bond, A View to a Kill. How does the Eiffel Tower contribute to modern scientific research? By being a meteorological observation point, housing research laboratories, providing radio signals, or hosting energy experiments? Correct answer is by being a meteorological observation point. Which layer of paint is used on the Eiffel Tower to protect it from corrosion? Iron oxide primer, epoxy resin, anti-rust paint, or zinc-based coating? Correct answer is anti-rust paint. Who organized the first vertical race up the Eiffel Tower? Paris Marathon Club, Fédération Française d'Athlétisme, Eiffel Tower Management, or Red Bull? Correct answer is Red Bull. What was the purpose of installing glass floors on the first level of the Eiffel Tower? To attract more tourists, for security purposes, for a thrilling experience, or to offer a unique viewpoint? Correct answer is to offer a unique viewpoint. How long did it take to build the Eiffel Tower? 2 years, 2 months and 5 days. 3 years, 1 month and 10 days. 5 years, 6 months and 3 days. Or 1 year, 9 months and 15 days. Correct answer is 2 years, 2 months and 5 days. Which famous artist included the Eiffel Tower in many of his paintings? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Marc Chagall, or Georges Seurat? Correct answer is Marc Chagall. What is the name of the park surrounding the Eiffel Tower? Champ de Mars, Parc des Buttes Chaumont, Parc de la Villette, or Bois de Boulogne? Correct answer is Champ de Mars. How many elevators does the Eiffel Tower have? 2, 4, 7, or 8? Correct answer is 7. Which of the following is a unique feature of the Eiffel Tower during its construction? It was the tallest man-made structure until 1930. It was the first structure to use riveted iron. It used reinforced concrete foundations, or it was constructed entirely without scaffolding. Correct answer is, it was the tallest man-made structure until 1930. Who was responsible for the lighting design of the Eiffel Tower? Gustave Eiffel, Fernand Jacopozzi, Jean-Michel Wilmot, or Paul Andreu? Correct answer is Fernand Jacopozzi. During which year did the Eiffel Tower first feature a public ice skating rink? 1994, 2005, 2009, or 2016? Correct answer is 2009. What is the significance of the names engraved on the Eiffel Tower? They are the names of French soldiers. They are the names of 72 French scientists and engineers. They are the names of cities in France. Or they are the names of Eiffel's family members. Correct answer is they are the names of 72 French scientists and engineers. Which holiday is celebrated with a fireworks display at the Eiffel Tower every year? Bastille Day, New Year's Eve, French Independence Day, or Christmas Day? Correct answer is Bastille Day. Which famous structure did the Eiffel Tower surpass as the tallest man-made structure in the world? The Great Pyramid of Giza, St. Peter's Basilica, the Washington Monument, or the Cologne Cathedral? Correct answer is the Washington Monument. When was the Eiffel Tower opened to the public? May 1st, 1889, May 15th, 1889, June 1st, 1889, or July 14th, 1889? Correct answer is May 15th, 1889. What significant modifications were made to the Eiffel Tower in 1903? Installation of a meteorological station, addition of a military telegraph station, construction of a laboratory for aerodynamics, or all of the above? Correct answer is all of the above. Please join our journey, subscribe, share, and stay updated.